This is Mustafizur Rahman from Bangladesh, the bowler. And let's open at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore for the Bangladeshi player. At 2 crore. Anybody in the room? Thank you, Delhi Capitals. At 2 crore. At 2 crore straight ahead. 220 Chennai comes in right ahead of you. At 2 crore 20 now with Switch Chennai. 240 goes back to Delhi. At 240 Delhi, 260 Super Kings. 260, 280 Capitals. 3 crore Chennai. At 3 crore, 320 Delhi Capitals. 340 Chennai. 360 Capitals. 380 Chennai. 4 crore for Delhi, thank you. 420 for the Super Kings. 440 for Delhi. 460 for the Super Kings. 480 for Delhi. 5 crore for the Super Kings. And 20 for Delhi. 540 for the Super Kings. Delhi's done. Okay. At 540 then, with the Super Kings at 5 crore and 40. All done then, with the Super Kings. Anybody else coming in? 560. KKR comes in at 5 crore 60. At 5 crore 80 Super Kings. At 5 crore 80, 6 crore goes back to the Knight Riders. At 6 crore to the Knight Riders, 620 for the Super Kings. 620. 660 SK. 660. 680 KKR. 7 crore. CSK at 7 crore. 720 say KKR. 740 for the Super Kings. 740. 760. Thank you, Knight Riders. 780. Thank you, Super Kings. 7 crore 80. 8 crore it is. KKR is 8 crore. CSK asks for a moment. 820. 8 crore 20 CSK. Sure. Kolkata takes a moment.
मुस्तफिजुर रहमान आईपीएल में ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड हैं।
840, thank you, sir.
अगर तेज वाली गेंद अच्छी चलती है तो फिर धीमी गेंद से भी बहुत बल्लेबाजों को गच्चा दिया है। एक बार फिर से आज की दोपहर और शाम सीएसके वर्सेस केकेआर की बिडिंग वॉर।
860 CSK. 880 KKR. 9 crore for CSK. 9 crore. And 20 for KKR. 920. With KKR. Done? Done. At 9 crore and 20 lakh, it's Kolkata's bid at 9 crore and 20. Ahead of CSK, ahead of everybody else. At 9 crore and 20 lakh and selling everybody else ahead of everybody else at 9 crore and 20 lakh. KKR, Mustafizur Rahman is yours.
खुश है केकेआर का खेमा। अपनी तेज गेंदबाजी को और सुदृढ़ करते हुए बाएं हाथ की पेस का ऑप्शन दिया है। पथिराणा को पहले ही अपने नाम कर चुके थे।